Hi there, my name is Kris. I am the co-founder and CEO of Off to Class. We are all about saving English as a second language teachers time. There's been an immense pressure put on teachers, especially in the last year, working in hybrid models, having to move between bricks and mortar and online classrooms. We polled the teachers using Off to Class and we quantified that we save them about 30 minutes per lesson taught. That equates to about 12.5 hours per week. How do we save ESL teachers time? First of all, we provide ready-made content that can easily be personalized for students. It works equally in video conference classrooms as it does in the bricks and mortar classroom on screens. We also provide, for every student that is loaded up to Off to Class, we provide a list of interventions that are data driven and personalized to the student that the teachers can use to address language proficiency issues. And we also provide an easy means for teachers to create individualized scopes and sequences for each student that they are teaching in any given year. Our biggest proof point for the work we're up to is the fact that we have about 60 US districts that were drawn to Off to Class because we provide a better set of tools than they were already using as curriculum in their districts. We also have about 2,000 direct to teacher clients. These are largely online ESL teachers that are using Off to Class to teach online all over the world. What we're really looking forward to doing coming out of the pandemic for next academic year and beyond is continuing to provide Off to Class to districts. We're scaling sales and we're continuing to bring the value that we've already brought to our district partners to as many new teams as possible, while also fighting learning loss by giving them access to the awesome tutors that are using Off to Class. My name is Kris. I can be reached at KRIS at offtoclass.com. And what I'm really looking forward for is some partners to help us scale our sales and marketing operations across the country. Thank you.